How to download Twitter videos in iPhone. So first go to your Twitter application and then select any video that you want to download. Then just press on that video and then tap on the arrow icon. After tapping on that arrow icon, you can see that we have got three options. Just press on copy link and then go to your web browser and here search for SSS Twitter. And then just paste your link here. Then tap on download. So then you will get options for quality. Just press on any quality you want. And then this will pop up. Press on download. So now your downloading has been started. So you can see that our video has been downloaded. So subscribe to this channel for more how-to videos like this.